In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find critical path in Smartsheet. If you manage projects in Smartsheet, the critical path shows the chain of tasks that directly determines your project's finish date. Knowing where that chain is helps you prioritize work, spot risk early, and communicate schedule impact with confidence. Let's walk through how to surface it quickly. Start by heading to Smartsheet in your browser. Once you're in, look over to your navigation panel and open the workspace where your project lives. Workspaces simply group related sheets and assets, so opening the right one makes it easy to jump to the project you want to analyze. Next, open the sheet that tracks your project schedule. This is typically a project plan with columns like task name, start, finish, duration, and predecessors. The critical path feature reads those fields to understand how tasks connect. If some tasks don't highlight later, it's often because they don't have dates, durations, or dependency links tying them into the schedule. With your sheet open, switch the view to a Gantt chart. You can do this from the view controls at the top of the sheet. The grid will remain on the left, and on the right you'll see bars mapped along a timeline. This view helps you see timing and overlaps at a glance, which is exactly what we need for the critical path. Now, in the Gantt view, turn on Show Critical Path. The moment you do, Smartsheet calculates the longest chain of dependent tasks that drives the project end date and highlights those bars directly on the chart. You'll see them stand out visually against the rest of the plan. Tasks on this path have zero slack, which means any delay to one of them pushes your final finish date. Take a moment to scan the highlighted bars from the first linked task all the way to the last one finishing the project. That's your critical path. If you adjust a duration or move a date on one of these tasks, notice how the project finish shifts. Conversely, tasks not highlighted usually have float, so small changes there may not affect the end date right away. If nothing highlights, it generally means tasks aren't linked through predecessors, or the schedule lacks dates and durations to calculate timing. Connecting tasks and ensuring realistic timeframes will allow the critical path to appear the next time you show it. And that's it. You've opened your project, switched to Gantt, and revealed the critical path so you can manage the schedule with precision. Thanks for watching, and happy planning in Smartsheet.